afternoon guys, hope you're all well. So it's Friday here for us today and the boys have been fitting the electronic roof module interface. So it's an aftermarket product. This is a 2018 M4, so that's the F83 series. Sounds nice, looks nice, comes with the hard top convertible, and now it means that you can open and close from the key fob, and also you've got one touch inside from the car. So as we are at the moment, if the car is unlocked but the roof is down, if I was to press the key fob 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. So what's going to happen now, the interface gets a command from the remote control. It's not programmed to the key, it's just programmed to the fact that I've done 4 button changes or presses on the system. And then what it does, it then goes and lowers the 2 front windows and the rear quarter lights, shuts the roof, and then you've got total close on the car. That means windows shut, roof shut, and the doors are locked. And that's a really, really nice feature. So if you are at home or at the pub or in the garden or whatever, and you want to open or shut your roof seamlessly and easily, you can do without actually having to jump in your car and get in and press a button. But pushing the remote control of it aspect aside, you can actually jump into the vehicle, and with the engine running, you can press the actual button inside the vehicle for 3 seconds and then let go, and it'll automatically open or close the roof module, which is also a really nice feature. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to do exactly the same to open it. So I'm on the unlock button, I'm going to press once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. So that's just a 5 press. Now, the reason why it's 5 presses is because you're telling the interface what you want it to do. So we'll see what happens in a second. Okay, so the reason why I pressed that button 5 times is I've gone for a total open. We've gone from totally closed with the windows, the roof shut, the car locked. Now the car is unlocked, roof is fully open, and all the windows are open. So if I wanted to, I can just press the button like so, walk away from the vehicle, and we've left it fully open, but with the vehicle locked. Now, there is a certain combination you can then press. If I wanted to, I could have then pressed 4 times on the unlock button, which would have left the roof open and then the windows up, but you can still lock it. Either way, it's a nice, really nice feature on this 2018 BMW 4 series, and it just finishes the car off because these guys, nice sunny day today, might want to drive home with the roof down, but also when they get anywhere they want to go, just press the button and it locks. So if you've got a vehicle like this, there's a whole range of the ones on the models that we can do on our website. We've done loads of videos like this before. Please do get in touch with us. Website's in the bio, follow us on social media, and thank you very much for watching.